Hello guys, this is Will with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, and I'm here with a repair video for a Beats Pill 2.0 speaker, and I'll show you guys how to replace a damaged speaker grill. So this part right here that's covering the speaker drivers, let's say yours is damaged or you would just like to change it up and have a custom color to yours. So here's how you would do it. And again, if you're looking for this part, we are able to supply you with the part if you're looking for it and would like to replace your damaged speaker driver grill cover. Alright, so this is pretty simple. So let's say we're replacing this one right here. It has this ding in it. Grab a flat, sort of thin pry tool, and I like to start near this edge here. So what you're primarily doing is getting the speaker driver lip here over this ridge. So there's a, if you can see where this tool is going into, so that's where it gets secured. You just lift it up and slide it out. It's simple as that. Now, to go ahead and reinstall it back in, go ahead and manually, all you gotta do is this little lip here, set it in between this area right here. Once you get it in there, just get a little force and snap it shut. Now it's not going anywhere and it's secured. Thank you for watching, guys. If you have any questions or comments regarding this video tutorial or put the part, please comment in the comment section below and we will do our best to reach out to you and comment back. Thank you for watching.